Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a background in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. Once you're inside your project, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. You'll see several options there and you want to click on Elements. This is where Canva stores all its visual assets, including backgrounds, shapes, graphics, and more. Clicking on Elements opens up a whole library of design components you can add to your canvas. Now that you're in the Elements section, look at the top of the panel where you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type background into the search field. This will filter the results to show you only background options, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through thousands of unrelated elements. Canva will instantly display a wide variety of background designs, from solid colors and gradients to textures and patterns. Next, browse through the background options that appear. Take your time to find one that fits the style and theme of your design. Once you've found a background you like, simply click on it. This will immediately add the background to your canvas. You'll see it appear on your design, and depending on the type of background you chose, it might cover the entire canvas or sit as a layer within your project. Now, if the background doesn't automatically fill the entire canvas, or if you want to ensure it's set as the proper background layer, you'll need to make a small adjustment. Right-click on the background image you just added. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Set Image as Background. This command ensures that the background stays behind all your other design elements and fills the entire canvas properly. It also prevents the background from accidentally being moved or resized when you're working on other parts of your design. And that's it. You've successfully added a background to your Canva design, giving your project a polished and professional look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.